As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these Charbroil grills, the Classic 2-burner and the Performance 3-burner. What are the real differences?
Well, the Classic ASINB01HM7BUY8 is definitely the smaller one. It's got 2 burners, 20,000 BTUs, and a 280 square inch cooking area.
Okay, sounds good for a small family.
Exactly. The Performance 3-burner ASINB07JYQBQG5 is bigger. 3 burners, 34,000 BTUs, and a 450 square inch primary cooking area, plus a 150 square inch warming rack. So 600 square inches total.
Wow, that's a significant jump in size. Is the extra burner worth it?
Depends on what you're cooking. The 3-burner is better if you often cook for larger groups or want to do different things at different temperatures, like searing steaks on one side and keeping veggies warm on the other.
Makes sense.
Also, the Performance model boasts Charbroil's TRU infrared cooking system.
TRU? Infrared? What's that supposed to do?
It's designed to prevent flare-ups and cook food more evenly and juicier. They claim up to 50% juicier. It uses a special emitter plate.
Oh, interesting. So less chance of burning dinner and more flavor?
That's the idea. The Classic just has standard porcelain-coated wire grates. Durable enough, but not fancy like the infrared.
What about size and weight?
The Classic is much lighter, around 37.5 pounds. The Performance is a hefty 85 pounds.
Okay, so the Classic is easier to move around.
Definitely. Dimensions-wise, the Classic is more compact, too. And both have a side burner, which is handy for sauces.
Good to know. What about price?
The Classic is much cheaper. The Performance 3-burner is significantly more, but that's justified by the larger size and TRU infrared tech.
So, smaller budget, smaller group, go with the Classic. Bigger budget, bigger appetite, go with the Performance.
Pretty much. And the Performance grill has a slightly better customer rating, 4.4 compared to 4.1 for the Classic. However, both are Amazon's choice.
Thanks. That really clears things up. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.